Hey guys, it's John here. In this video, I want to share to you my portfolio update for the month of February 2022. Apologize, I didn't make an update on January because I was on holiday, and also I didn't make any significant purchase. So I am going to wrap up both January and February. So let's get straight to the video. Let's start off with the stocks. There is a negative 14% in the month of February as of 20th of February 2022. And this stocks contains of three stocks. It is Alibaba, Facebook, and Futu. The worst one here, as we can see, is Alibaba, and also Facebook is not too bad. I actually made some purchases in Facebook because, as you know, Facebook dropped to around $220. And as you can see here, it dropped to about $211. It even dropped even further. So I made some purchase in the month of February. Okay, so I bought it around $225 and $221. Facebook actually dropped as low as $180, but I haven't dollar cost average yet. The second one is index funds. So index funds dropped again, it's about 5% drop, so it's actually not too bad. With these index funds, they're all dropping. It made up of three investments: VOO, VTI, and VGT. And my biggest position is in VOO and VTI. And I still have got a buying power around the 400 Australian dollars. So with these index funds, I understand I'm supposed to dollar cost average, but I haven't been putting more money in because I personally feel that the index is going to fall even further. I actually made a video about it, why I believe the stock market will crash. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm probably able to see when something's overvalued because I don't want to purchase anything that's overvalued. Even though I don't know where the bottom is, even though I don't know where the future is, but the interest rate has increased. So the chances or the probability that the market will drop even further is higher. So if I can get the price even lower, then it would be better. So that's what I'm doing now with the index funds. Third investment is Spaceship managed funds. It's just really bad, about negative 22%. With this, I'm just going to dollar cost average. I believe in the companies that they invest. There are about 100 companies. Spaceship only made about 10% in the last 12 months. So I think they're gonna be a little bit lower than index or a little bit higher than index. But I'm just going to dollar cost average and don't think about it. The next investment is crypto. Okay, my crypto is dropped about 21%. In this crypto investment, I've only got BTC, ETH, and ADA. I made some purchases in January, about $180 BTC and also $20 ETH. The worst one here is ADA. I've only got like $24 though, so it's not really gonna hurt me that much. Sorry, I only got $50 and then almost 1,300 BTC and ETH about $90. So I'm down about 21%. I still have some cash available in crypto. So my strategy with crypto is I'm just gonna buy and hold. And when the stock market drops, then the crypto market also gonna drop. And that's when I'm going to buy. BTC dropped to about 36,000 US dollars. So I think it's gonna go down to around the 30,000 mark, between 30,000 and 40,000. Okay, so that's the strategy I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna buy it when I think it's cheap. Another one is just Royal Q. Again, with Royal Q, I stopped the trading. I stopped the bot trading. So I'm still on the floating loss. As you can see, ADA is about 56%, ETH is about negative 32%, and BTC is about 27%. So I'm just not gonna do anything. Maybe I'm just gonna wait until the bull market. But with BTC and ADA and ETH, I'm actually earning some interest, about between 5%, I think it's about 5% a year. I put it in Binance so we can earn interest. So I earn some interest in crypto. So even though it's not going anywhere, but I'm not selling it, so I don't realize the loss. The next one is the Forex bot, SmartX bot. The capital gains is about 10%, which is great. We made about $121 profit. So we made about $60 after the 50% profit sharing. However, the SmartX bot has stopped trading on the 20th of January because the Indonesian government has shut down the whole Forex bot trading operation. I'm going to put the link here on what's happening and the reasons why. I'm not going to repeat it here, but I'm going to put the link so that you can check out that video if you want to know more. Going forward, there won't be any more BlackFX. I'm currently in the process of withdrawing all the monies. I am going to make some loss with that. I think it's over 20%. It's still better than not getting my capital back. So thank you so much guys for listening to me until the end. Please give it a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.